I wake up in the morning to face another day. As I turn to you and I see your pretty smile. The best things in life are said to all come free. Letting you, it's true, 'cause you make me feel alright. So put on your little summer dress, girl, don't say a word. We're just gonna ride away from the city where our voices can't be heard. Get on your little backseat, girl, just hold on tight. 'Cause girl, it's my love for you that we're celebrating tonight. And we can play around all day long, booty scooting, jumping in the mud. I think I'm having too much fun as I lie here lying in the grass. Think I get a little piece of that sunshine. Do you make me feel so high? Cuddle up to me so tight. Boy loves girl, it's so right, so nice. Sunshine, I see you up in the blue sky. Everything will be alright. Sunshine. Alright, let's have some fun, y'all.
And my baby, in my darkest hour, you bring to me like a ultraviolet ray permeating from the sun. A little ray of light that shines down upon my skin and warms me deep inside. And that's why you're my little sunshine.
Laughing and a joking all our cares away. As we talk about times of growing up and how we'll all be old one day. You see me and my girl, we made a pact that in 30 years, no matter where we're at, that we'll fall in love under the sunshine of day. And I'll say, so put on your little summer dress, girl, don't say a word. We're just gonna ride away from the city where our voices can't be heard. Let's go get a little backseat and do this one more time. 'Cause girl, it's my love for you in this tired old heart of mine. And we could play around all day long, booty scooting, jumping in that mud. I think I'm having too much fun. Wait a minute.